Anytime we go camping or fishing, the first question is, Brandon, are you bringing the cooler?
When we took on the cooler project, we wanted to make something that was truly OtterBox. Everybody knows us for our phone cases, and our phone cases save your device when it drops.
I love the phone cases, right, because I didn't drop my phone maybe about 4 or 5 times, and it's still good.
If you need anything manufactured, the ability to do it is here in Detroit.
Everything was manufactured here in the United States.
So that's something we're definitely proud of.
Work hard and play hard.
Work hard, play hard. That's right. That's a Detroit thing right there.
Put 100% of your heart and soul in everything, just the way I'm made.
We've taken our automotive experience and knowledge and technical applications and applied it to the cooler.
There is a rhythm here.
It's a molding machine running at its top form. It's a flaming glue line running in its top form and being so precise. It's the foam carousel running a clean, precise line. All these things have to come together to make this cooler that we're proud of.
They expect them to be perfect.
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 Perfect. That's what quality means to me.
We're proud of it, we're proud of our design, and we're proud of how these things are made.
My favorite parts of my job is to see somebody interact with a product that I've designed, have to be able to close it with one hand and latch it back together.
The way OtterBox is making the Venture Cooler, no one else is doing that. We had a 900-pound bear play with it for an hour. The cooler was hit with a wrecking ball, had a piano dropped on it. It passed with flying colors.
You kind of stop worrying about it because you're like, oh, it's in an OtterBox.
Obviously, we did the ice test. They did it with the 45 quarts. So we filled it full of ice and see how long it took for ice to be completely water, which was 14 days.
We're making a product that the memories can be made from.
You know, making believers out of people, one at a time.